Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of took too much space on the application of Pokémon Go. We go to settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Pokémon Go. Here you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Pokémon Go and you will click. If you find it, then you will update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for subscribe. See you next time and thank you.